Okay, here we are again. What are we doing? Once again, we are doing test review. Test review, AP statistics, specifically today looking at free response questions. We're up to the question 3C. So I gave you a copy so you can look at that. We've done A and B. Now let's look at C. A random sample of 20 children born in the region were selected. What is the probability? That gives us a clue what section we're in. We've already talked about that. We're in probability that the sample will have at least 3 children who are left-handed. When I think of at least and at most, the binomial distribution comes right to my head. So I hope it does for you too. What would signal the binomial, well, other than the at least or at most type thing, is 3 variables. And the first one is this p-value, a constant p-value. And we already found that in question A is 0.1138. N, which is our number in the sample, and that is 20. And X, the number of successes, which is 3, starting with 3 anyway. Now, remember, when it comes to binomial, we like the calculator. We have to show some notation, but we're going to let the calculator do some of this. And the way we will do it is, remember, PDF, CDF. PDF is one outcome. CDF is cumulative outcome. So let's read the question again. At least 3. At least 3. If I was to write, and I did that a lot, but I'm not going to write 20 numbers across there. But if I did, and I said at least 3, would you agree it would be 3 up to 20 and not 0, 1, 2? Okay, that's what we don't want. So I got a feeling down the line, we're going to do this 1 minus deal. That's going to help us. So keep that one in mind. 1 minus. I'm going to put that up there. 1 minus binomial PD, no, CDF. Now I gotta get up out of my chair because I made an error. Binomial CDF cumulative, and that is NPX. So N would be 20, comma P 0.11385, comma. Now, here comes the most difficult part of this problem is where do you want it to? We've got all outcomes starting, but we don't want 0, 1, 2. So we want cumulative up to 2. So I'm going to put 2 here. Now, I remember distinctly from our website, they said you have to identify the variable. So this is N, this is P, and this is X. Make sure you identify what they are. And then I'm going to use my calculator and hopefully get the right answer. 1 minus, remember we go to the distribution key, go down to binomial CDF, and trials is same thing as N is 20. P is 0.11385, and X is 2. And I get 0.402. 0.402. Let me double check to see if that's right. And guess what? It is. I'm overjoyed. Overjoyed. All right. That is question 3C. We're doing really good. Remember, we had a linear regression equation, number 1. We had a confidence interval, question 2, and we've had a probability question, question 3. Hey, it's a big part of the curriculum just in 3 questions. So we'll see what question 4 has for us. See ya.